Hey guys, this is Tony and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I want to show you how to stop this horizontal scroll, how to fix this, like when this is a scroll. So we can start this. Here we go to customize and just add a two-line CSS, custom CSS. So this is a custom CSS, HTML, body, white, 100%, overflow, waves, hidden. Just to paste the two-line of CSS code and reload the site. Just wait. The site is loading. Okay. Now we can go there and the responsive mode. So now now look, it's gone. So I think this video is helpful for you. If you like my video, subscribe my channel. Here I'm new. Thank you. Take care.